New vacancies are out from Andhra Pradesh Director of Medical Education. It's for the assistant professor regarding different subjects. This application is already started and it will be available till 15th of February. In this video, we will cover how you can apply, what are the eligibility criteria like age criteria, qualification criteria, and we will cover every details which are uh, essentials for you to know about that. So let's get started. The application is already started from 1st of February and the position is for assistant professor regarding different subjects, and the last date to apply is 15th February. Total 255 vacancies are available, and the age criteria you can see for the open category it's available till 42 years. For EWS, SC, ST, BC you can apply till 47 years. For physical handicap it's 52, and for ex serviceman it's 50. Qualification criteria like it's you should hold a postgraduate degree in MD, MS, DNB or DM, and the degree that you have it should be from recognized by MCI, NMC or DCI. Now there are two types of recruitment. One is direct recruitment and one is lateral. For both of two, there is a little difference. Like for a direct recruitment, if you are taking part, you should have completed 1 year of senior residency, and this should be after the fulfillment of your the required qualification. This is for the direct recruitment, and for the lateral recruitment, it should be like assistant professor in broad specialities and civil assistant surgeon. So if you are applying for lateral recruitment, it's for working in a director of medical education and civil assistant surgeon. You can read that, you may able to actually understand it in a better way if you are like well connected, if you have a like somewhat knowledge. So and also candidate must be approved probationer or have completed the probation period as CAS or assistant professor. No pending disciplinary charges or unauthorized absence allowed. So this is for lateral recruitment. Now let's see. Yes, this is the main thing. Candidate who are local to Andhra Pradesh can only apply. That is the main thing here. Now let's see. Selection process will be totally based on the merit basis. Candidates are selected on a merit basis and the rules of reservation. So that's what I said. Merit list is prepared for the eligible candidates. Selection lists are created based on the merit list. That's what it is. It is basically a merit base, and also rules of reservation. If someone has a reservation, that can like they will also get some priority. Total the marks are 100. 75 marks are awarded based on the qualifying degree. Candidates without a PG marks receive 50% of the marks, and if grades are issued, candidates should obtain and submit mark memos. And also additional mark 10 marks are given for the years since passing the qualifying examination, 1 mark per completed PG. So if you like it's been 10 years, if you like after the qualifying you will get the 10 mark what it is saying. 5 marks are awarded for PG from central institution, and 50 marks are granted for contract service in government institution. If you have like a contract, if you have done some contract service in any of the government institution, you will get a 15 marks here. For tribal area, it's like a very technical, you can go and read that. If you want to read this article, just go to the below link and you will find this link and you can read this article. Now how to apply I will tell at the last. So let's go below. So see, the subjects are anesthesia, there are 34 vacancy. For dermatologists it's 6. You can read that as per your subject. You can pause the video and check this. I am scrolling it a little, or the best thing would be just go to the website and scroll by yourself. What we have done there, it was like very long notification, whatever was the important, so we have actually put it here in a very beautiful way so that you can understand it easily. Salary range, see, We tried to do very deep research, but we do not able to find the exact details like how much will be the salary. As mentioned in the notification, we have mentioned this detail like the it's 7th UGC pay scale after probation. What it was written like pay scale during probation period was different, and after probation period it will be different, and after the probation period um, you will also may get promoted or get a raise. That's what it is written here. Application fee you can see, other category means general, it's 1000 rupees. For EWS, for SC ST it's 500 rupees. You can see for other categories as well. For BC it's 500, and for physically handicapped it's 500 rupees. Notification if you have want to download, just click here and it will be get downloaded. And here are some more details. If you want to read, you can read that. If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and let's meet at the next video. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you so much.